Everything you think about the market for personal data is incomplete. The dark web sells stolen identities, sure, but there is a parallel economy operating legally in plain sight. Companies you've never heard of quietly collect trillions of data points about ordinary people and then sell access to that profile to advertisers, to lenders, employers, and sometimes to parties with far darker motives. They are called data brokers, and their business model is simple: observe, predict, monetize. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how they build your digital twin, where the data comes from, how it's used to influence you, and the realistic steps you can take to reduce your footprint. Data brokers are companies whose entire product is information about people. They don't need your permission directly. They collect data from dozens, sometimes hundreds of sources. Public records, loyalty programs, online forms, ad networks, mobile SDKs, and even some free utilities that sell anonymized metrics, all feed into their engines. Then, algorithms merge those fragments into a single profile. A profile can include your age range, likely household income, job category, interests, health hints, and political leanings. It can also include predictions, how likely you are to buy a car, to respond to a political ad, or to be receptive to a particular sales pitch. And because these profiles are packaged and sold, decision makers, marketing teams, insurers, some employers can buy access. This is not fantasy. It is commerce, structured, measurable, and legal in many jurisdictions.
Think of it as a shadow version of you, a digital twin that lives in databases and decision models. While you sleep, your twin gets updated. Every app you open, every form you fill, even the route you walk with your phone in your pocket becomes a new data point. That twin is not a static list. It's dynamic, it's scored, it's segmented. Marketers use it to put an ad in front of you at the exact moment you're most likely to click. Credit underwriters can use it to flag risk. Influencers and campaigns use it to shape your behavior, nudging choices with a precision most people do not expect. And the most unsettling part, because it's built from patterns, it can sometimes predict things you haven't decided yet, then steer you toward them. This system doesn't need to break in. It is nourished by permissions. You agree to cookies to see an article. You accept an app's helpful permission. You use a free QR code service. Each action can deposit data. Inside apps live SDKs, software development kits, third-party libraries that track usage, gather device identifiers, and report that behavior back to servers. On the web, ad networks fingerprint your browser, fonts, plugins, mouse movements. Everything combines into a unique signature. Offline sources matter too. Purchase receipts, loyalty programs, public records like property ownership or professional licenses. Data brokers then stitch these sources together. They deduplicate, enrich, and infer. So even if you think a single piece of data is harmless, your zip code or a loyalty card purchase, it can be combined into something far more revealing. What does a company actually buy from a broker? Often it's segments, expectant parents near downtown, or recent mortgage applicants in this county. Advertisers buy these segments to target ads. Retailers buy them to tailor offers. Credit services buy them to fine-tune risk models. Political campaigns buy micro-segments to test messaging. Recruiters buy deep-dive insights on candidates. And criminals? Some of these data sets leak or are resold in less regulated corners, making it easier to craft convincing social engineering attacks. The scale is important. The more attributes a profile contains, the more accurate its predictions become, and the more valuable it is.
A quick example. Imagine two neighbors, same block. One rapidly receives ads for luxury watches. The other gets offers for payday loans. Why? It's not random. Their profiles contain different inferred income ranges and purchase behaviors. Algorithms place them into different buckets, and advertisers bid accordingly. Another example. A health insurance firm uses purchased data to identify likely chronic conditions in an area, then adjusts outreach, pricing, or underwriting models. These are not conspiracy theories. They are business decisions, driven by data models that treat people as predictable aggregates.
Most people dismiss targeted ads as harmless annoyance. That's a mistake. Data-driven profiling enables price discrimination, charging different people different prices for the same service based on what the algorithm thinks they will pay. It enables hyper-specific fraud. Social engineers can craft messages so precise they appear to come from your inner circle. It empowers political manipulation by identifying the individuals most likely to change their views. And on a practical level, if your profile leaks, or if a broker's database is accessed by the wrong hands, your detailed digital twin becomes fuel for identity theft.
You don't have to be helpless. Start by asking 3 questions. What data exists about me? Who holds it? And how can I push back? Major brokers often provide opt-out mechanisms. Search for the company name plus opt-out and follow official instructions. Use privacy check tools to scan for your exposed data. Tools like breach monitors will tell you if your email or passwords have appeared in leaks. For marketing profiles, use industry resources, opt-out pages, limit ad tracking options on devices, and browser privacy settings. It's not a single-click fix, but you can reduce future collection and remove your profile from some resale lists. Here are specific, practical steps you can start today. Limit app permissions. If an app asks for location and it's not essential, deny it. Use a privacy-focused browser and enable tracker blocking extensions like ad blockers and anti-fingerprinting tools. Use unique emails or alias services when signing up. Create targeted addresses for marketing lists. Employ a password manager. Strong, unique passwords stop credential stuffing and reduce damage from breaches. Turn on two-factor authentication. Prefer hardware keys when possible. Consider DNS-level protection or services like NextDNS or ad blocking at the router to stop trackers on every device. Periodically search your name and email with privacy check services and submit opt-out requests to major brokers. None of these actions is perfect, but layered defenses make you exponentially harder to profile. A candid reality check. You cannot opt out of data-driven commerce entirely. Even if you remove your name from one broker, new data flows in from other sources. This is a long-term hygiene problem, not a one-time patch. Regulation helps. Some regions have stronger consumer data protections than others, but the global market remains porous. So the goal is not to vanish, it is to reduce exposure, to add friction, and to make you a less profitable target. Going forward, expect more sophisticated profiling, deeper behavioral models, and more automated decisioning. We will see pressure for transparency, regulators and consumers demanding more control. We will also see better privacy tools, more granular consent, easier opt-outs, and stronger defaults. But until those norms become universal, the safest course is to be intentionally private by design. Minimize what you share, control permissions, and treat convenience as a potential cost. Understanding data brokers is the first defense. Awareness reduces surprise. It reduces harm. If you found this useful, subscribe to Vigilant Cyber. We'll map the systems that watch us and build practical tools to protect ourselves. Stay informed, stay guarded, and stay one step ahead